Hello, I'm a flying head right now. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, here I am. And yes, I have called myself Denmark. I am here to check out what it is like looking like autumn, okay? Because that's what I'm here for. So, I'll just do that for a bit. Okay, not much going on. I just realized I actually want to be at home. So, teleport to my state, go in. It always does that. I think there may be new items for autumn. So, I'll go to the shop. I'll go to the shop. Let's see if there's anything new. Really? Nothing. I think there will be something new, so... Let's see any autumn wallpaper. Okay, so... there are stuff. Well, they look pretty nice. But, I'm gonna check out the flooring. Oh. No, these aren't nice. I'd expect something autumny and fun. Okay, well, anyway, I'm gonna be giving you a tour of my house then. So, here's the fireplace. Yeah, get that going. No, I don't want the fire. I'm gonna be watching some Neon Cat. Bit boring, don't you think? So here's my bath. This is my bathroom. I didn't know there were actual baths, so I kind of got a jacuzzi, hot tub. Don't know how you say it, but yeah. This is my room. Got icy bed. This is my pet Finn. This is his place. Roblox tagged out his original name. It was Finn, so I had to change it to one N. But okay. This is the fun room. I had a lot of cash until I bought all of these. Still got a computer, TV. But you've had a good look. Posters. Don't know who one is, but yeah. Guest room. And here is my kitchen. It's beautiful. TV there, food here. All the kitchen stuff, poster. So my favorite thing to make in this is this weird pot. I really like the food updates. It's really cool because, like, I don't know, it's just really cool. So let's go again. So I will be going outside, and I'll see you when I'm there. Okay, yeah, I'll see you when I'm there. Hello, I've got to here, and I will be showing you around. I'm not sure what anyone wants me to do around here, but I don't understand how people get the books. It's not fair. Okay, whatever. So, I'll be trying to look as good as I can and be going to parties and just checking out what people are saying and sneaking up on private conversations, I guess. Well, people really wouldn't... I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I just thought it'd be fun or something. I'm gonna be going to parties, just hanging out there. Put in the comments what you thought I should have put in. No, that doesn't look good. No. Yeah, why not? I guess I'll be going rapper style then. Is there any bling? Any bling? No. Oh my god, no. What? That's all plus? That's stupid. Okay, these are tails. I don't need tails. Don't need tails. Tell me if the glasses are good, but right now I'm gonna put on hippie glasses. Yeah, good. So I am ready to party now. And I will be choosing a party. Wait, what? Why is there a well? I'm gonna try to jump in. No, I can't jump in the well. Okay, let's not get distracted from the prize. Okay, let's go to the party. Dance. Nathan, yeah, there. Okay. So, he came on the top, so it must be very packed. So, let's go. Okay. Here I am. Says angry face only same as mine. Mine's you, mine it's Ms. you, mine's you are getting in my gang. That's weird. Wait, why have I turned to wearing that? I wasn't wearing that. Okay, everything's just loading. Okay. This is a bit of a weird place, but let's check out the rest of the house. It's a bit like an exploring thing. 60 people are here. Oh my gosh. Here's a pretty nice place. It's very busy. Okay, there is music back playing, but I don't know if you can hear it or not. I'm not sure, but it's like, no. Okay, I really don't like this. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not sure. I haven't said anything in the whole game. It's funny. I want to leave the party. I'm going to join another. Tell me if you think I should have chose something else. I'm taking dance again. I'm going to someone I like the look of. I'll go to this person who has 19 people there. Let's go. It's nothing special. It's just so this is the owner. He's called himself Lil Pappy Unlocked. Oh. Okay. I mean, it's cool. Gonna party? No. I'm not sure if you can hear the music. I'm not sure at it, but it sounds cool. Wow, because you're really Dennis. I mean, I spent most of my Robux, actually, because I thought Dennis actually broke up with the pals. Turns out he didn't. So I bought outfit to look like him, like, just to be nice, but I don't think he fits up. So, I'm gonna da-na-na-na-na. Tell me if you think I should play Fortnite. Oh, no. I'm not good at it, so this is what I'm gonna be. Yeah, that. Dead. Because I'm not good, okay? Let's just leave it like that. So, yeah. I have a limit of like 15 minutes. So I might have to like do something like make it small. So leave party. I'm gonna return to playground. Just check out you know, just go around. Got 5 minutes left. I doubt anyone would watch this long, but yeah. I could play, I could do a, I'm not sure what I could do. So, whee! Weird. Yo, weirdo. If you heard my beautiful song, then you'll know how beautiful it is. It's just, mwah. It's just mwah. It's amazing. I'm amazing. This song is great, yeah. Accept it. I'm great. I'm great. I'm great. I'm going home for a bit. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to dance a bit here as the entrance of exits. No, I don't want to. Na 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 na. Goodbye.